Shalom Boker Tov. I came out of the shower this morning and I knew exactly what kind of video I'm gonna make today. Here we are. How to recognize a binyan when the root has 4 letters. I can already give you the good news up front. It is not about lottery. Really, it's actually quite simple because there are only 2 binyanim. Yes, only 2 binyanim have 4 letters, PL and HITPL. So you have massively narrowed your choices. And if you are in doubt and you think, oh, is this one or this one? I don't really get it now. Could it be this one or that one? Well, let me tell you, these are your chances. 70% of those 4-letter roots are PL and only 30% are HITPL. So that tremendously narrows it down. Now we see some examples. Here is a root of 4 letters, and we will now see how does the infinitive look like in PL and in HITPL. HITPL, to be disappointed, lehit achzev. What did we do? We took the root and we put lehit in front. In PL, it is to disappoint, le'achzev. Same rule, we took the root, we only placed a lamed in front. And here you can already see it's really not rocket science, it is the same that you always do. The same rules apply, you just have one more letter. HITPL infinitive is the root plus lehit. PL is the root plus a lamed. It is exactly the same. Well, this is now the moment for some self-promotion, as you already know, because I just want to mention for the 50,000th time that I've written a book about it, and I've explained that in length. So any serious interest in Hebrew, this is where you find me, or on my website. You can also see what kind of courses I am adding right now. And back to the subject. Our root, and now we see how does that look like in present tense in those 2 binyanim. So he is disappointed, hu mit achzev, HITPL. In PL, he disappoints, hu me achzev. Again, the same rules. You take the root and either you put mem tav or you only put a mem. These are the same rules for 3 letters and for 4 letters. In past tense, ta-ta-ta-ta, okay, he was disappointed, hu hit achzev. This is the past tense in HITPL. Hey, tav is what stays, plus the root. And in PL, hu zev. Okay, granted, here we have a change. Normally, that would be a yud here. Okay, let's have a look at the basic rule for a moment of PL so that we actually see this here. Take the root and place a yud between the first and the second letter. This is, generally speaking, the rule of the past tense for PL. Example, hu diber. You take the root, you place a yud, hu diber, he spoke. Okay, fine. Now what happens when we have, instead of 3 letters, 4 letters? Well, that's a good thing. Basically nothing. We add the 4th letter, but we take out the yud. And this is why it is hu zev. He disappointed. But that's really the only difference. So basically, it is always the same rules that you apply to the 3 letters, and you also apply them to the 4 letters. This here is a little change, granted. And yeah, basically that's it. So I hope that helped you a bit, but I think it's really nice to know that you only have to have PL and HITPL in mind. That really narrows it down. Okay, cuties, I see you in the next video. Neshikot, shalom.